Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about this indicator called ADX. I've already added my indicator on the charts, but I'll show you how to edit. So you go to the top, you can see this insert here, indicators, and you go to trends. I don't know why they call this trend. I would actually prefer to call it the oscillator, but yeah, the trend according to them. Average directional movement index, world, whatever. Actually choose this one, average directional movement index. Okay, so because this one you can also get it on your cell phone, it's good index. So it will write ADX here, period is 14, as you can see. So how does this indicator works? It's very simple and very basics. I think, yeah, it may be tough, but very basic. Let me try to add the levels. I think you can see I don't have levels here, so I'll first add 25. Yeah, I think 25 is good, and then yeah, done. You can see my level here is 25. Let me see if I can increase my level so that we can see it clearly. Okay, yeah, let me increase the line of my level, put it on, yeah, city black, it's fine. Yeah, now we can see we have the level 25. So how this indicator works is very simple, as you can see. First thing that you need to look at is that this blue line, you can see the light blue line, it's my main line, and then this one, just like statistics, this one shows a selling power, this shows a buying power. So what you can do with this indicator is that you can say whenever this blue line is above my 25 level, of course you can make this level anywhere 30 or whatever, but for example, let's take it like this. Whenever this blue line is above 25 level and then the green line is above the red line, it's a buy signal. Okay, let me repeat myself. Whenever this blue line goes above 25, you can change this level as you want. Maybe you can make 15 or 10 depending on what works for you. Okay, because you will first do a back test. I believe that you will first do a back test, and then whenever this blue line is above this 25 line and then the green line is above the red, it's a buy signal. Okay, let's check the opposite, meaning the opposite will say when the green line is, when this blue line is below 25 level, and then let me see where it shows. It's not giving a signal yet. Yeah, here it is. Whenever this blue line is below 25 level and then the red line is above the green line, we are selling. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, I'm not saying this strategy is perfect, of course it's not, but this is how this indicator works. This is what this indicator is used for. So actually it's many indicators in one indicator, if you can check well, because RSI got this, and this one can be used as things like, we have other indicators like momentum. This can be used as a momentum, and this one can be used like statistics. Okay, so whenever you see this one going above my 25, and then okay, let's see now, this one is above 25 but then the green is not above the red, so I'm avoiding this kind of signal. I'm only taking a buy when this is above 25 and then when the green is above the red. Okay, like here, let's see, here it shows perfectly the green went above the red, so the only thing that I was waiting here is for the blue to go above my 25 level. my momentum. This one is my momentum, this one is a signal. And then now the green crossed the red, but then I won't take a signal here because my blue is still below the 25. But as soon as it crosses this line, now I'm taking a buy, and then I'm getting this big nice move. Okay, so everywhere I'm waiting for that. Like here you can see my there's a signal here, the red is above the green. Okay, but I'm not trading this, until my momentum goes below 25. Okay, and then as we move, as soon as my momentum goes below 25, I find that no, the signal is not there, this thing are just crossing randomly. Then I'm waiting here. You can see here everything is agree, the red is above the green, and then my blue is below 25. Then I'm taking a sell. Okay, until here. Usually I've missed this move. As I've said, this thing won't be perfect. All you need to do is to add other strategy or other price action, anything, okay, that you can add to make sure that it works for you. Or you can just tweak these levels a little bit. You can change, don't feel free to change these things, they are yours, they are on your computer or your phone, so feel free to change these levels. You can put 10. Actually, you must just put what works for you. The best thing is to back test, put them, check them how they work. Remember, we have this period here which you can change, and then do a back test to check which one works best for you. Okay, give me a subscribe, give me a like. Thank you.